Starting a side hustle is a great way to make some extra cash, but also has the potential to grow into something more and help you achieve your financial goals. Whether it's to have enough money to buy a house, or to renovate, or to go on nice holidays, or to get the car you always wanted, or just having some extra money to do whatever you want. When it comes to good side hustles, there are two categories. First, a side hustle that you can use your skills that you already have. And second, having something that you're interested in, like a hobby or a passion that you can convert into making money. So today I'm giving you the top 5 side hustles that you can do from home. I've seen other videos in this topic recommend things like Uber or food delivery. These things are like having a second job. And if you're already working a 9 to 5 or you're a full-time student, the last thing you want is a full-on second job. You want something simple to do that can generate money. I'll explain more as we go. Let's start with number 5. Number 5 is tutoring or teaching. We all go to school, high school, college, university. And so we have these skills we've learned along the way. Maths, science, and these things are not going away in current schools. They're teaching kids these subjects. And even if you're not good at those particular subjects, I'm assuming if you're watching this video, you know English. And teaching English is also a way to make extra money, with so many people online wanting to learn English. Now, in the old days, to be a tutor, you had to go meet up with the person, whether you went to their place or they came to yours. Of course, you can still do that today, but today it's a lot easier. You can do it all on Zoom or on Teams, on video chat, all remotely from the comfort of your own home. So step 1 with this side hustle is to find people that need tutoring. You can do this through community boards, whether it's in your local suburb or if it's a university group, a Facebook group, or whatever. There are even dedicated tutoring websites where you can list your services and find students in that way. And these days you can be making $60 to $80 an hour, sometimes even more, depending on the topic and the level that you're at. So that is number 5. Number 4 is running social media ads for businesses. There are companies that exist today. They have a sales team and they have advertising managers. All the sales team do is call SMEs, small, medium enterprises, or local businesses and offer Facebook advertising. And they'll sell packages, $500 a month, $1,000 a month, $2,000 a month. And whatever package the business signs up to, half of that goes into Facebook ad spend. The other half goes to the company. So all you got to do is contact some local businesses, and you can do this all online these days probably. But it might be better if you actually call or go in when you're starting. And you're going to sell Facebook ad packages, but you're going to charge a lot less. Then once you've got the clients, all you've got to do is set up the ads, which is really easy to learn. Plenty of tutorials online. And then once you've done it for one business, rinse, wash, repeat. There are many small businesses run by people that just don't have the time to do this. Think about doctors, tradespeople, etc., etc. And as an example of something starting as a side hustle and ending into a main hustle, you could eventually expand this into a full digital advertising business, offering Google ads, TikTok ads, whatever you want. And even if the thought of that sounds too much, maybe you're a marketing student and you want to get into a marketing job, especially in digital marketing. Having the experience of doing this on your resume will help you land that type of job. So definitely one to consider if you spend a lot of time on social media and you understand the landscape in particular. That brings us to number 3, selling things online. This could be things you already own, things you can pick up for free, or things you can get for very cheap and then flip it for a profit. For example, I know someone that likes doing up bedside tables. So anytime someone's throwing away a bedside table or selling one really cheap, they'll buy it, do it up, and then sell it for a lot more. It's a hobby, they enjoy doing it, and they're making money by doing it. Where to source things? You got Facebook Marketplace these days, Craigslist, Gumtree. People are giving away things for free or selling them for very cheap. You've also got op shops, and you've also got Gary Vee's favorite, garage sales. Op shops and garage sales may be really good for collectibles in particular. So a great way to convert hobbies that you have, things that you like to buy or things that you know about, acquiring them, doing them up if need be, and selling them for a profit. Which leads us to number 2. Number 2 is selling your services on Fiverr. And just browsing Fiverr, you can see all the different types of services you can offer. You got graphics and design, digital marketing, writing, video and animation, music and audio, programming and tech, data, business, and lifestyle, which has all sorts of crazy stuff that if you have some hobbies, you have some skills, there's definitely something here I'm sure you could offer. And Fiverr is a really good way to start. You might craft up a service on Fiverr and then start offering it more locally and directly as well. Fiverr is definitely a good way of learning the business side of it and the pricing side and what sort of services people actually want. So definitely a good place to get started. And that brings us to number one, which I think is one of the easiest ways and has the most potential to make money with minimal effort and maximum passive income opportunity. And that is to start a social media account for a niche that ideally you're really interested in. Creating content from your phone, posting it, building an audience, and then generating income from ads, brand deals, and even potentially selling something in that niche. And these days we're talking YouTube channel, TikTok, and Instagram. If there is something that you're passionate about or you have a particular skill, you can make videos about it. Good example is people who know Microsoft Excel very well, teaching people how to use Excel, then earning money through not only ad revenue, but by selling courses. A tip with starting is to niche down as much as possible. For example, if you're interested in cooking, you wouldn't just start a cooking YouTube channel. You would pick a particular item that you cook, like it could be sponge cakes, and all you do is sponge cakes. And if you want to niche down even more to give you a better opportunity, fruit sponge cakes. You niche down as much as you can, build a solid audience, and from there, once you get some traction, you can always expand out a bit. And mind you, I know a lot of people are self-conscious about showing themselves in public and talking in public. Nowadays, you can start without having to show yourself or even use your own voice. If you want to know more, I have 2 videos, one about how to start on YouTube and one about how to go about starting on TikTok. So definitely check those 2 videos out. Anyway, guys, that is the video. Let me know your comments and questions below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all next time.